This is our annual installation dinner for the upcoming president of the Inland Gateway Association of Realtors, and we always have such a fun time. It usually has dinner, drinks, dancing, as well as casino night too, with a raffle at the end.
This year's recipient is one of the most dedicated individuals you'll ever meet. Are you choked up? They originally engaged in real estate because it gave them the freedom to reach many individuals that they otherwise wouldn't have been able to make connections with. This individual loves the idea of learning.
Woo! Alex is a winner!
That's one!
You're the lucky table!
Say you won! Say hey!
When we win, it was had!
Yeah, we like that.
Wow, this is nice! It looks nice!
Don Shaw gave it to him.
Woohoo!
Everything.
Alex won again! I just want one. What?
Johnny Walker.
Woo!
Johnny Walker.
Woo! You won again! Good job, honey. Woohoo! This is another item that Alex won. He is just so lucky. And every year we always win something. Check out all we won. We won this Johnny Walker celebratory blend whiskey. Nice. And this Breville Nespresso Vertuo and Aerochino. Yum, yum, yum. And this precision cooker. Super excited to try all these out. Definitely a fun time, and besides winning the gifts, the memories that we created will last a lifetime, and that's what makes it all worthwhile.